Palmon Survival tips and tricks. Especially if you've just started up with a game, here's a few things you can put in mind as a beginner. So in Palmon Survival, you shouldn't only focus on catching strong Palmon early. You can go ahead and do that later on, especially when you don't have much things to do. But the smarter move is usually just to build a strong base first. But that's pretty simple. You just go ahead and upgrade and be consistent with pretty much everything. Unlock it when you can so that you will be able to gain more resources. But your base is what gives you steady resources, of course. So with that, there's going to be more upgrades with the more resources you have, and with more of those together, you'll have faster progress. So assign those palmons to jobs like farming. So if you find, let's say, this thing over here, make sure it does have enough palmons assigned, and just use them as much as you can. Especially if you have like extra palmons, just go ahead and use them. You can just put that in mind as something technically important early game, since this game isn't usually just about monster catching. It also mixes crafting, not really crafting, but upgrading, and just resource management in general. And again, for beginners, upgrade only the Palmon you actually use in battles, especially your main squad and useful worker Palmons. So don't waste materials on every new Palmon you get, especially the lower rarity ones. And keep your best Palmon in your active squad so they gain experience, and you can also join a guild for extra rewards. Do daily battles and events. You can take a look at those tasks that's available from daily and to limited time events. And of course, you can use breeding later to improve your team. So the best strategy is pretty much very simple. You can automate your work, focus on upgrades, and progress daily instead of rushing too much, unless you're trying to do that. But those are a few things you can put in mind for, beginners tips and tricks for Palm and survival. So hopefully this video does help at least a little. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.